every time they tell us we're going to come out here. 22 times. Yes. And they come. We are not doing anything. What I do now to go carry people. When they want government to see better, when they want Nigeria to see better, and I carry them, they go for television and say, we'll be land grabbers. How will take the land grabbers for the land where we get? Can you grab what you will be your own? 22 times. And this will not start today. And see as security everywhere. We don't know who be who. Yes, sir. See train station they pass here. Not so? Yes, sir. How you go say me could lead people on some of our different nobody know. If not I see you and I know you. The other person I know them. What do you want me to do? No government go say it will just fall apart. See where would they get the threat of insecurity everywhere? If they talk of inflation, I agree. Then you can't add them insecurity again. You know, say things don't come bad. So no one will tackle, no go tackle them now. We will solve the other problem. Insecurity is a big problem for Nigeria. Yes, and we will not go fit for our arms to say they could live up so. 10,000 people. Where did they come from? We don't know. Today here kidnapping here. Tomorrow here this will happen here. Tomorrow here they don't keep this. And then when they do a finish, they will come under here, can't stay. Then you say, me could leave. No, so would they do something? Me, I be human being like you be human being too. If I see where you get problem to help, we go help. But when you be like say, you want to turn out to say you dey confront government, that one you no go fit do am. Yes, sir. If anybody dey tell you say make you come confront government, make you don't be tearing near that. Me, I know be without people wey be say you do 22 times. I no go do that one. I no go fit to wait for that 22 times for them to know. I no go fit. Every day security men need to sleep. That means now how we take no say. You, if they talk about that, you see as you be like a good person, don't be so. I think so. See as your face, the innocent, you look well, don't be so. How many people look well like you were there? There was Kukwaba. Or the train station.
Yes, look at the train station.
Oh, that's the train station.
Yes.
Kukwaba.
Yes. That's the city.
And that's the city gate. No. That would be the yes. Anybody can fight.
This is just a indication of what is happening at us. The same thing.
Oh, the other side.
Yes, the same thing will happen there. It's the same thing. Area picture. Yes, this is where the area picture. It's alright.
Very dangerous.
It is.
That's the city gate. That's the city gate. White is up.
Now,
Yes, the area attention.
what do we do?
Please, let's get your audio, please.
That's what we if you allow this kind of that will be in trouble. One day I heard that it didn't happen. Yes.
The trees. They are under
the come with. Let us be calm and quiet, please, and listen to him attentively. So, the problem we have here, sir, people of this community, Ruga community, that we are living, we are here, some of our elders, before even building the National Stadium. When the building of the National Stadium comes, some of our people are the laborers, staffs, and doing so many of jobs there. Then when the development comes, our people are now leaving that particular place, move from the stadium side to behind this rock that you are seeing close around. Our people are living here. Some of the elder people live before us, come to join them. We are here for almost good 37 years. Yes. Since when this place are bushes. No any, yes sir, yes sir. So people live here. We are not dragging anything with the government, say we get land or we have anything, but we are pleading. Please and please, Honorable Minister. We are pleading. This environment you are seeing is like a mini Nigeria. Every tribe you check here, we have, because it's a lower class, people living around. We are pleading, please and please. We are seeking from the Honorable Minister office to help us and assist us to give us a shelter where we can reside with our people. This place we are seeing, Mr. Honorable Minister, we are over 10,000 people in this community. We have 4 houses. This railway station come during when we have our schools, our housing then is all these clay houses and some block houses. Train station come, so many of the people come. Our people doesn't drag with anything that the government want to do with their own land. We move away, but we are Nigerians, we are pleading, we are begging. You are a father to all of us. Please and please. When this demolition come on the last, let me give it in summary. When this, we had been demolished here 22 times. This is the 22nd time demolition. This one that happened of recent, everybody know the hardship, know the level of the inflation we are into. And all our goods, our traders, our so much people, properties were burned down to ashes. We are pleading, please and please, let your office and you, the Minister of Abuja, to help us and assist us. We don't have anything to request far from this.
Your name?
My name is Abakar.
It only 22 times. The government don't come here and say, we're going to come out now. 22 times. Don't be so. Government will come meet you here. They come every time they tell you, we're going to come out here. 22 times. And they come. We are not doing anything. What I do now to go carry people. When they want government to see better, when they want Nigeria to see better, and I carry them, they go for television and say, we'll be land grabbers. How will they be land grabbers for the land where we get? Can you grab what you will be your own? 22 times. And this thing will start today. And see us in security everywhere. We don't know who be who. See train station they pass here. Not so. How you go say me could leave people on some of our day from nobody know. If not I see you and I know you. The other person I know them. What do you want me to do? No government go say it will just fall apart. See where would they get the threat of insecurity everywhere? If they talk of inflation, I agree. Then you can't add them insecurity again. You know, say things don't come bad. So no one will tackle, no go tackle them now. We will solve the other problem. Insecurity is a big problem for Nigeria. And we will not go fit for our arms to say we could live up so. 10,000 people. Where did they come from? We don't know. Today here kidnapping here. Tomorrow here this will happen here. Tomorrow here say don't keep this. And then when they do a finish, they will come under your can't stay. Then you say me could leave. No, but so would they do something? Me, I be human being like you be human being too. If I see where you get problem to help, we go help. But when you be like say, you want turn out to say you dey confront government, that one you no go fit do am. Yes, sir. If anybody they tell you say make you can't confront government, but make you don't be tear near that. Me, I know be without people where they say you do 22 times. I don't go do that one. I know we fit to wait for that 22 times for them do. No, I know we fit. Every day security men need to sleep. That means now how we take no say. You, if they talk about that, you see as you be like a good person, don't be so. I think so. See as your face, the innocent, you look well, don't be so. How many people look well like you were there? So when people will go face sign guarantee now, somebody could live, nothing will happen. You see why it's difficult for us? See this trailer where they see. How many times where they don't go cut them? Now you make before where they say they walk. Now because they vandalize the rail line, the track. Now which people they do them? Now the people waiting for the corridors here. Something where they prepare for all of us to use. For 2, 3, 4 years, you know, work because now they go to vandalize them. We know we fit assure you say we will live on to stay here. No, nobody will fit give that kind of assurance. What I want to go talk, we say, as you did that way, you say with their spokesperson, but I don't know the spokesperson of who. But if on our feet bring like 5 people, you understand what I talk? Yes, eh? Yes, but don't be say, I watch her for video. And they come when police go and I want to do something. That's why they try people. That's what make it not happen again at all. Okay, so. If anybody ever come put something here again, this opportunity what they give on now. One I will bring 5 people to come talk to government. They could say what we do of them. That one not going to happen again. You know that one? So make nobody say in they put anything here. And all those who want to go bring for television, whether abuse government, may they come and talk say, we can leave us alone. Those things need to work. You understand me? Those kind of things need to work. All those people they find where they will collect money from. We will do our work. We no go fit allow wetin go bring problem for Abuja. We no go fit allow. I understand your plight. We understand, that's why I'm giving you this opportunity of 5 of you to come. We could just see what you will fit do. But not to leave here. Hold on. No, don't thank me. I don't like people when they thank me. They thank me 22 times. You don't need to do anything. Now you thank me. So, some 5 people, Director Lambs, the control, CP, SSS, and civil. The brigade of guards. There was one soldier who. Brigade of guards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's make it 7. Since the 75th, and one more person, immediately to be 2. choose one person. Choose one person to make it 7. Please, who is the other person?
Yes.
Bring the 5 people.
Okay.
Eh?
We'll bring them, sir.
Including you, make a 5.
We are coming, sir.
On Tuesday, maybe this night.
Okay, sir.
Director of lands, people should arrange to see them, hear from them, and make a recommendation on what we should do. It's very important. You are all Nigerians, you are all Nigerians. You must let do the right thing. But please tell your people when they do something.
Nothing will be good again.
If they do that one, I don't want to talk
We
to
assure you,
them.
100%. Nothing will be good.
Do you understand me?
You understand, sir?
Thank you. God bless you. Well, as you can see, we have had a lot of threats of insecurity in FCT, and the security agencies are working 24 hours to make sure that Abidjan is safe, to make sure that citizens and residents of Abidjan go about their normal businesses, having sleepless nights to make sure that all of us sleep comfortable. And they have identified that this area is one of the areas that pose a lot of threat to security. Look at where you have the rail line, looks like a buffer zone. And if you allow this kind of people to be here, what it means that anything can happen to our trades. And nobody will take that risk. Here is government land. A lot of vegetation, government have not decided what to do with it. And so some of these people have come to stay under it and then begin to use it as an area of committing crimes. But we are human and we have come here to tell them the true position of government and then see how we can also interface with them, see what we can do for them, so that it will not be as if we are inflicting hardship on them. But the truth of the matter is that no government worth its salt will fold its arms and allow this place to be occupied by hoodlums. You can imagine the number of persons that are here who we cannot identify. We hear a lot of crimes are being committed outside, and then at the end of the day, they come here to say, how will you know? So government has decided that we are going to go back and look at what we are going to do as far as this zone is concerned. And we have told them nobody will go to build anything, whether temporary or permanent. No, we will not allow them until government has taken the final decision on what to do on this piece of land. And I've also said that no amount of blackmail, no amount of intimidation, no amount of abuses, we must go about to do our job. It doesn't matter those they go and hire, they call them civil society or non-civil society. We're not interested in that. Our interest is to protect life and property, to safeguard Abuja so that it will be one of the best cities in the world. And everybody is seeing that we are working in synergy with all these various security agencies. So we're happy that we have come to see the place by ourselves. And on the other side too, we'll take a date to go to the other side of the rail line and say that we don't allow things like this to continue to happen.
Minister, there are other shanty towns in the FCT. Will this also be adopted in the other shanty towns in this approach?
Yes, as at yesterday being Saturday, you may not believe it. Myself, the Director of Lands Development Control, we went around and we saw so many shanties, so many areas that are converted to bus stops and the rest. And we have decided that some of these areas will be converted to new bus terminals, and some shanties will be demolished, and so that to allow for good environment, other leaders, and for people to carry out their business. You see, it's so painful. When we are doing this work, we are not against anybody. It's for the interest of everybody, members of the public. But people who come out to say, oh, that poor people who are looking for their livings, nobody wants them to have a place. It's not correct. Security is key. We will not, because you want to find food, and the other people will not be secured. It's our responsibility.